Alright, everybody got their applesauce and happy. What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on a Block. We got the Yukon XL, and we're going to swap out these taillights because that one's not working. That one is, that one's not. So how hard could it be to possibly change out two taillights with three toddlers on a Yukon XL? We're about to find out. Right. What I'm going to do is go in and press the brake pedal and show you the failure. Hopefully you saw that the left side light wasn't working. We're going to go ahead and open up the hatch. Hopefully nothing falls out. Oh, there's some sunglasses and other goodies. We'll set the girls in the back. Get their fruit snacks open, and then we're going to start taking these lights out and get them replaced with the new ones. Y'all see that instant detailing video. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but yeah, they just got mud all in the back of there. Awesome, because there's mud all over the driveway because we had some work done on the septic tank earlier this week. So yeah, you know, what can I say? Dad life. Alright, we're going to be replacing the lamps. This one right here. It's an aftermarket unit. A little bit different style. The tail and brake is right here, and the turn signal LEDs right here in this strip, and that's your reverse LEDs. I went with this because the OEM units are really pricey and they've had a lot of failures. These particular ones were past the recall, so that's why I ended up, they're cutting trees next door, so all the noise is. Anyway, past the recall, so couldn't get them replaced through the recall, and they want way too much for the OEM units. And I still have failure rates because these failed and they're not even 5 years old, so pretty premature for me. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and try to get these out while we got these girls enjoying their snack, and you guys can watch. So on this piece over here, you'll need a plastic removal tool, this little trim removal tool. I'm gonna stick it in behind here and pry this loose. I recommend using a plastic one because if you do not, you'll possibly damage your paint. So that pops off. It's got these little clips back here. Set that off to the side. And then there are two T15 Torx bolts right here, and there's one right there. That's a T15. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's a bookie.
Yep.
That's a bookie for Mommy's car.
And back that up like that. Get that one out of there. Then you're going to remove the top one. Turn them counterclockwise.
I'm done.
Alright, and then once you get those two out,
I'm done over
just
there.
grab the tail light like so and pull straight back off the vehicle.
I'm done, Daddy.
What you can do to assist is take your removal pry tool, insert it over here on this side. It should pull straight off. Okay, everybody's all done. Should come off just like that.
We're all done. Please help us. Please help us. Please help us, Daddy.
On the back of the tail light, squeeze right down here, pull this loose, and then remove that little clip, and that will get the tail light off the vehicle. So,
here you go. Check it. No. Oh no.
like so. And that gets your tail light assembly removed. So we're gonna turn on some cartoons for the girls because you can hear they're done.
I'm
done. Okay, you're done. You want to watch some cartoons?
Yeah, cartoons.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna get them watching some cartoons, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the get ready to install the new taillight assembly. Alright, your new taillight assembly is somewhat plug and play. This plug actually goes down to the bottom harness underneath the bumper cover, which is down there. So I'm going to have to remove the existing harness that you see right here underneath the vehicle. So I'm going to go down under the bumper, unplug this, and then feed the new harness from the new taillight, which is this harness here, down through that hole in the bumper, and we'll plug it down underneath. So that harness is right here. Goes down underneath and plugs in. Right here, got a little red tab. You pull that back with your thumb or with a screwdriver. It should pull back, and then you can squeeze that and unplug that connector. Sometimes I get a bunch of junk stuck in them. I'll grab a little screwdriver. Just went in there and wiggle that back and forth to pry that loose. And just push here. You should be able to push and just pull the connector back. Should be. Y'all know how it is. Or it's like me and you gotta fight with it for 10 minutes to get it off. Or 30 seconds. So anyway, that's the connector we're going to plug back into. Right there. And it clips on that little black clip right there. It just slides on. Pull this old pigtail out, fish the new one in. Old harness out. Fish the new harness down in there. We'll go ahead and set the tail light in. Installation is simple. You just find your outside tabs are these little push pins here with the outside holes over here, and push it straight in. Guys around here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. You see the peg. And right there is where the peg goes in the hole. That's a little rubber grommet right there. So that peg goes in the rubber grommet. Yessie! Oh, you need to hold me?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. Alright, so that push it straight in. Then you got your two T15s. I had to find one of mine because, of course, you know, the little one's knocked down the driveway. But these guys right here, I'm going to put those back in those two holes. I'm going to go back underneath, plug it in. There's the new harness connector. Is this the factory harness? See if I can do this with one hand. Should be able to. Dad skills, you can do all kind of stuff with one hand. Alright. Got her plugged in there. And we will slide that red tab forward. Like so. Get it locked in place. And we'll slide this back up on this clip. All done there. Let's turn the lights on and see if we have a working tail light. And that we do. Look at that. Alright. Oh yeah, it's nice and bright. Nice and bright. Again, sorry for the background noise. Of course, when I would do this, they'd be cutting trees across the street. So, but yeah. There's the running light and turn signal. Try to get you guys some video of this at night and see how it looks at nighttime too. We'll also check out the reverse lights. Now, last thing you want to do to finish up the side installation for each side is pop that plastic piece back in there. It's this one here. Lines up, you got your tabs. Your new light should have tabs for it, or a slot for the tabs, so you can just put back in there. Take it underneath your actuator for the lift gate first. A little quick pop there. And then that tucks right back in behind there like so. And that side's done. Let's go to the other side. The worst part of this installation by far is removing that harness under the bottom of the vehicle. It gets dirt and corrosion and it can be a pain to get out of there. Considering this vehicle is not very old, definitely a challenge. So, alright, pigtail's done. Old light is out.
I'm done.
All done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, 1 minute. Everybody's all done except for me. Alright, this is the one for the passenger side. I'm going to fish this connector down. Close up of what's going on there. That's the slot that you fish the wire down through. Nice firm push. You go right up in there. Tighten up your two T15s on the inside. Reinsert your plastic cover piece. We're going to go underneath and plug it up, and we'll test it out. I won't take you guys back down there, it's no fun. What the heck, y'all want to come down there. This one is by the exhaust, you can see right there. Yes, the vehicle's running, I know. It's running because my kids are inside watching Coco Melon or Sunny Bunnies or something like that. I don't know, a baby shark. But since it's nice and breezy today, the CO2 or CO will not take me out. So you line there's a tab right there, you line that up with the red tab on the new connector. Like so. That tab, the red tab there on my pinky, squeeze it together. It goes together real easy, then you just slide that red tab forward. Locks it in place. Slide this back up on the retaining clip up here. Like so. Do what? Who put the windows down? What is going on here? Somebody put the windows down.
For me.
Gotta lock them in here. Gotta lock them in. What are you doing in that center console? Oh no! Oh, what is going on? Oh, she's goldfish everywhere. Well, you guys know what I'm gonna be doing after this video is done. All right, out with the old, in with the new. Let's go ahead and do a quick light test. Hopefully so you guys can see that lit up a little better. Yeah, that's nice. I like that a lot. Very nice. All right, that wraps up the video on the taillight installation for the 2015 to 2020 Yukon XL. These lights only work on the Yukon. They do not work on the Suburban or the Escalade, at least as far as direct fitment. So close up of the light there, some function. Try to throw a little night video clip at the end of this video for you guys, show you how they look at nighttime. But I'm happy with them. They do work. They are a plug and play. You do have to remove the harness that goes from the tail light down up underneath the bumper cover. That's where they plug in at, instead of where the factory one unplugs. So that's just a little information for you guys so you know that. It does have LED reverse lights, which is different than the factory lights, which are an incandescent bulb. That wraps up the video. My name's Erwin. This is Three Wheels on a Block. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time.